For DeJounte and almost taken away. It is taken away.
Uh-oh.
Showtime. Go for it. Pels by 4.
Zion Williamson is one of the most explosive and exciting players in the NBA today. With his jaw-dropping dunks, unstoppable power, and sky-high potential, it's no surprise that he's living the life of a superstar. But it's not just his on-court dominance that turns heads. His insane car collection is just as impressive. With a garage worth over $635,000, Zion has some of the most luxurious, powerful, and stylish cars money can buy. But what makes his collection unique? What kind of vehicles does a young NBA superstar like Zion choose to drive? And what do these cars say about his personality? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Zion Williamson's incredible car collection, breaking down each ride and revealing the truth behind his automotive obsession. Welcome back to Wheels of Fame, where we showcase the flashiest rides of the world's biggest athletic stars. Zion Williamson burst onto the basketball scene as a high school phenom, dominating highlight reels with his unreal athleticism. After a standout season at Duke, he was drafted first overall by the New Orleans Pelicans in the 2019 NBA Draft. His rookie contract alone was worth nearly $45 million, and that's before factoring in his massive $75 million endorsement deal with Jordan Brand. With that kind of wealth at such a young age, it's no wonder Zion has treated himself to some of the most luxurious and high-performance cars available. His garage is filled with everything from American muscle to high-end European supercars, reflecting both his powerful playing style and his love for speed and style. Now, let's take a closer look at the crown jewels of Zion Williamson's car collection and what makes each one special. Kicking things off, we have Morant's prized possession, his Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat isn't just another muscle car. It's a machine that perfectly captures the intensity and dominance of Zion Williamson's game. This car is built for those who want to make a statement. And Zion, known for his powerful presence on the court, couldn't have chosen a better ride to match his personality. With its wide stance, aggressive front grille, and unmistakable supercharger whine, the Hellcat is one of the most fearsome vehicles on the road. What makes this car truly remarkable is what's lurking under the hood. A supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine delivers an incredible 717 horsepower, giving it enough raw power to leave most sports cars in the dust. The moment the gas pedal is pressed, the Hellcat responds with a surge of energy that pushes the driver deep into the seat. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, a blistering speed for a car of its size. The wide tires provide an aggressive grip, ensuring that all that power translates into maximum performance. With an estimated price of $85,000, it offers an insane level of speed and performance at a fraction of the cost of European supercars. For Zion, the Charger Hellcat is more than just a means of transportation. The deep, throaty roar of the exhaust announces its arrival long before it comes into view, much like how Zion's thunderous dunks send shockwaves through an arena before the crowd erupts. The car's menacing look, from the sculpted hood vents to the sleek LED headlights, adds to its intimidating presence, reinforcing the idea that this is not a vehicle to be taken lightly. Zion's Charger isn't just about speed, it's about attitude. It's about standing out and owning the moment. Whether he's rolling up to the arena or just cruising the streets, this car makes it clear. Zion Williamson isn't just here to play, he's here to dominate. Also parked in his garage is his Mercedes-AMG G63. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is the perfect blend of rugged toughness and refined luxury, making it an ideal addition to Zion Williamson's collection. This SUV isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making a statement along the way. With its unmistakable boxy design, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, the G63 commands attention no matter where it goes. Zion, a player known for his dominant presence on the court, chose a vehicle that reflects that same energy on the road. Underneath its military-inspired exterior lies a beastly 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 577 horsepower. The G63 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, an impressive feat for an SUV that weighs over 5,800 pounds. That kind of performance means Zion can experience the thrill of high-speed driving while still enjoying the practicality of an SUV. Whether he's cruising through the city or heading to a game, the G-Wagon delivers power, precision, and prestige. With an estimated price of $180,000, it's the kind of luxury vehicle that fits Zion's superstar lifestyle. But it's not just about power. The interior of the G63 is nothing short of first class. Handcrafted Napa leather seats provide unmatched comfort, while the latest technology ensures that every drive feels like an experience. The massive infotainment screen, high-end audio system, and customizable ambient lighting create an environment that is both futuristic and elegant. With spacious seating and top-tier amenities, this SUV is perfect for long drives, offering both relaxation and excitement in equal measure. Beyond luxury, the G63 is also a highly capable off-road machine. It comes equipped with a specialized all-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and an adjustable suspension, allowing it to conquer rough terrain with ease. Zion, known for his versatility on the court, has a vehicle that mirrors that same adaptability. Whether it's dominating the pavement or handling off-road trails, the G63 can do it all. For Zion, the Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a symbol of power, performance, and presence. It represents the perfect balance between raw strength and refined elegance, making it a standout vehicle in his already impressive collection. Another standout in his collection is his Lamborghini Urus. The Lamborghini Urus is a vehicle that breaks all the rules, combining the power of a supercar with the practicality of an SUV. It's no surprise that Zion Williamson, a player who defies expectations on the court, would choose this masterpiece as part of his collection. His bright yellow Urus is an absolute head-turner, making a statement wherever he goes. From the aggressive front fascia to the sculpted rear, every inch of this Lamborghini screams speed and dominance. With 641 horsepower under the hood, the Urus isn't just about looks, it delivers jaw-dropping performance. A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.5 seconds is unheard of for an SUV, putting it in the same league as some of the world's fastest sports cars. Priced at an estimated $240,000, it's a luxury only a few can afford. For Zion, it's more than just transportation. It's a perfect blend of power, style, and exclusivity. One of the highlights of his garage is his Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk is the definition of a sleeper, an unassuming SUV that packs the heart of a muscle car. Zion's Trackhawk may look like a regular Grand Cherokee at first glance, but under the hood, it's a beast waiting to be unleashed. With a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi 5.8 engine, the same one found in the Hellcat lineup, this SUV pushes out an incredible 707 horsepower. That kind of power rockets it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, a time that rivals high-end sports cars. But what makes the Trackhawk special is how effortlessly it balances performance and practicality. It provides all the space and comfort of a family SUV while offering heart-pounding speed when needed. Priced at an estimated $100,000, Zion's Trackhawk gives him the best of both worlds: daily driving convenience with supercar-level performance. It's proof that even an SUV can be an absolute thrill machine. We can't wrap this up without talking about the jewel in Morant's collection, his Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of status and sophistication. For Zion Williamson, Owning this luxury masterpiece means experiencing the highest level of automotive craftsmanship. Unlike his high-performance muscle cars and sports SUVs, the Cullinan is all about effortless elegance. It glides across the road with a whisper-quiet 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower in a way that feels almost effortless. Speed isn't the priority here, comfort and presence are. Inside, the Cullinan offers a sanctuary of refinement. The handcrafted leather seats, starlight headliner, and whisper-quiet cabin create an experience that feels closer to a private jet than an SUV. It's the kind of ride that ensures Zion arrives anywhere in ultimate style and relaxation. Whether he's heading to a game or just taking a break from the fast-paced lifestyle, the Cullinan is his go-to for pure, first-class luxury. Estimated at $230,000, it's the crown jewel of his collection. Zion Williamson's $635,000 car collection isn't just about expensive vehicles, it's about power, luxury, and personality. Each car in his garage reflects a different side of his game and lifestyle. His Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat and Jeep Trackhawk represent his aggressive and dominant playing style, while the Lamborghini Urus and Mercedes-AMG G63 showcase his love for speed and performance. Meanwhile, his Rolls-Royce Cullinan proves that, despite his young age, he enjoys the finer things in life. These cars aren't just modes of transportation, they're status symbols, investments, and reflections of Zion's larger-than-life persona. As he continues to evolve as an NBA superstar, it's safe to say his car collection will only get bigger and more impressive. So, what do you think of Zion Williamson's insane car collection? Which one of these luxury rides would you want in your dream garage? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Zion's cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on NBA stars and their luxury lifestyles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.